Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. And you can see with the touch of a button, you can operate all of the power sliding doors and the power trunk latch. This is a brand new conversion, not a used, worn out conversion. This is brand new, and it's got what I like about this conversion is it's got the ramp and door separated. So the doors are one key, the ramp got two fobs for each of these. Brings it down here. This is just a simple winch motor. If that ever goes bad, you just replace the motor. It's very simple and very affordable to do. On those Bronze and VMIs where they've got the ramp and motor tied in together, they want you coming back for that service because it's going to be thousands of dollars every time you take it in. So this is a great design to keep these affordably, not only up front now when you buy, but also in the future. So ramp is just under 30 inches wide of room, 53 inches of headroom, non-slip ramp here. 55.5 inches of headroom inside the van. It's got the easy clean floor, tie down points. We do give a free set of pull tight tie downs, Q-strength tight tie downs away with each van. 3 seats in the back. It's got 2 seats up front. That is a removable passenger seat, so if you wanted to remove that chair, put a wheelchair in the front. You'd also have room for a wheelchair in the back, so you could get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here. Headliner looks great. Got the rear air controls. The dash looks perfect, steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. The backup camera, you can sync this to your phone, auxiliary port, dual climate control, rear air, plenty of cup holders, plenty of plug-ins down below for all your electronics, and it's got tie down points up front, so yeah, you can tie your chair up front. And if you want to shut these doors, you can use the ramps, the buttons up here as well. And let's say you're going to use this for, you're going to use the doors quite a bit, you can turn it off. And this will make these power ramps and doors. You can also operate the ramp here up and down, or you can use one of these 2 fobs. Hold it and bring it all the way up. And then you can just slide this door shut if you have it on manual. See, it works like a manual sliding door. It's as simple as turning it right back to on, where the power ramp and doors are on if you want them to be electric again. Very simple. Touch of a button. This van's got tinted windows. Blacked out wheels. The tires are 7/32 up front, 5/32 in the rear, so they're not brand new, but they've got some tread left on them. A very clean van, hard to find a dent or scratch in this van. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's sure not far from it. Been very well taken care of. It's got the roof rack in case you want to do any extra traveling. It looks good all the way around. I hand pick almost every single one of our vans that we buy myself. I'm very thorough in what I look for, what I purchase. Inside the driver's side has a powered driver's seat. It's got the leather seats with the cloth insert. We also show you the VIN number. We do this on all of our vehicles, so you know I've got this vehicle in my possession. This is not some internet scam where I'm trying to sell a vehicle I don't even have. So, speaking of that VIN number, we do give a free Carfax away with each one of our vehicles. You can see no accident or damage, 1 owner, last owned in Missouri, so that's good. It's not from one of the states up north. You can see all the green on here shows no total loss, no structural damage, no airbag deployment. Odometer checks out good. No accidents reported, no recalls. Shows the basic manufacturer warranty, which shows this van start warranty was the March 28th of 2019, so it's under specs to be under the full factory bumper-to-bumper warranty until March 28th of 2022 or 36,000 miles. You can look at all this in detail yourself. Has the 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain specs as well. And you can scroll down and see this was a local Missouri vehicle, no accidents. So this is exactly what we're looking for, and this is why we go through the detail to show you these Carfaxes, but of course you can look at them for yourself. Another great feature about this van is it's got the remote start here. Hit the button twice, fires right up. I noticed it does not have the remote start feature on the other key, so it's only on one of the keys. I just noticed that. I'm not trying to hide anything from you. The other key operates all the doors and the ramps. The doors, yeah, the doors, sliding doors, and the power trunk lid. Just doesn't have the auto start. When I go to turn the vehicle on, and don't think auto start is just a winter time. Very nice for the summertime when you have leather seats to make sure the seats are nice and cool when you get in. You can see the current mile is 27,164. No check engine lights on, no airbag lights, no ABS lights, none of that stuff. Got your backup camera. That's why we go through the time to make these videos. A lot of these dealers are going to try and get you out, or individuals. They're not going to tell you about a big dent in it. They're not going to tell you about a check engine light. They're not going to tell you about all these problems the vehicle has. So that's why I go through the details of making these videos. Underneath the hood, everything looks nice and clean. I don't see any signs of any damage. No signs of any leaks. No signs of any rust like a flutter or anything like that. We've got our emission sticker right there as well. As I crawl underneath the van, you're going to see much of the same. Very clean. I don't see any signs of any bent metal or any abnormal rust or anything like that. And you'll notice our competition, they rarely, if ever, show you the undercarriage of the vehicle. Go ahead, look at their pictures. I say, I wonder why they don't show me the undercarriage of the vehicle. There's a reason behind that. They buy a lot of these from Chicago and New York. They buy them from the Rust Belt. They convert them. They don't tell you about it, and you just bought a rust bucket. And you know, rust can lead to major issues. So look how clean our vans are. There's a big difference on where you buy these things. And you know, tell them to get off their behinds and get out there and make you a video like this so you know exactly what you're getting. No matter how bad you want it to be true, how great of a deal you think it is, if you don't demand a detailed video like this, you're asking for trouble. You know, if there's someone out there that wants you to spend $10, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 on a mobility van, and they won't get off their behind, and they won't go make you a video who you're buying from and what are they trying to sell you. That's the #1 mistake people make when used car shopping. That's how they get burned, is they assume things. Don't assume anything. Tell them to get off their behind and get out and make you a video, and if they won't do it, and tell them to get your Carfax as well. And if they won't do those things, why are you even considering giving your hard-earned money to them? So let's get this van out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles out on a test drive, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure this van is roadworthy. It drives real nice down the highway, great acceleration, popped it up to 65 miles an hour. Steering wheel is nice and straight, of course, when I'm driving straight. No unusual vibrations or anything like that. So this is exactly what we're looking for in a used vehicle. With that being said, please keep in mind this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. I cannot be your warranty company. I'm selling you the vehicle at wholesale price. Now, if you want to buy this at retail, $10,000 more like everybody else is selling it for, I'll put a nice warranty on it for you. But if you want to buy wholesale and save $10,000, $12,000, $15,000, you have to be your warranty company, or you got to buy a warranty. Simple as that. Also, keep in mind, there's a lot of dealers online that have a real nice price. Then they factor in some administrative fees, document fees, all these fees. They have $500, $1,000, $1,500 in fees. Then you factor in shipping, and next thing you know, that little nice price you saw online has just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. My #1 question to you is, if someone's not telling you the actual price, if they've got a bunch of bogus fees they're slapping on the back end just to get you to call, just to get you to try and stop in so they can sell you the vehicle, you know, if they're hiding the real price, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding mechanical issues? Are they hiding an accident? Are they hiding flood damage? Are they hiding issues with the title? I don't know. But I just know if someone's not being honest and upfront with me from the very get-go, I do not want to do business with them. So again, it's your money, up to you to decide how you handle that. But I'm just letting you know, buyer beware. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So runs and drives, stops, smells good, looks good. Everything on this van looks and acts darn near brand new. And if you want to check out our entire inventory, look us up, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And if you'd like to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. That'll take you to me, Jeremiah. That'll forward right to my cell phone. Or if you're more of a text messenger, 316-518-4377. That is my cell phone number. I am the owner. I want you to call Mobility Works. I want you to call Freedom Motors. I want you to call those big companies. And I want you to ask them, hey, do you care enough about customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Because Jeremiah at Affordable Mobility, I've got his cell phone number. I don't have to wait on hold with 5 different people, get into someone's voicemail box, and no one ever call me back. I can reach Jeremiah directly. So that's a big selling point we have doing business with a small business. Also keep in mind we have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or your email, or we can take one over the phone. If that's easier for you, let us know how we can help. So again, as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.